Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So I'd like to start off this video by saying a big thank you to all of my subscribers because we have reached yesterday 700 subscribers, and I'm going to try to upload this video today. Today is a Sunday. So yeah, we hit 700 subscribers, and right now I think it's around 705 subscribers. So again, a big thank you to all of you who've watched my videos here in the Philippines, or most of my subscribers are also in the States. So thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you're seeing this video and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, then please, I encourage you to click on that subscribe button, because I do make a point of coming out with videos regularly that would hopefully be either useful or entertaining. I am also pleased to announce that since we've reached 700 subscribers, we are going to be starting off giveaways for hitting 700, for hitting 800, 900, and for hitting 1,000 subscribers. So right now we're going to be starting off with our partner Kaiju Power, who is going to be providing us with 1,000 pesos. That's about $20 worth of GNB lipos. So that can be any lipo that you wish you want to put that 1,000 pesos to, whether it's a GNB lipo for your goggles, or a 2S or a 3S or a 4S battery. So it's going to be up to you. So the conditions are that you need to spend that whole 1,000 pesos. If you buy anything less than 1,000 pesos, don't expect Kaiju Power to give you any change. So you have to use at least 1,000 pesos or more. So that's the first condition. And second is, this is not really a condition, but it includes free shipping anywhere here in the Philippines. So first of all, I would like to apologize to all of my subscribers who are not residing inside the Philippines. I know there's a lot of you. I think majority of my subscribers are from outside the Philippines, but since I'm here, Kaiju Power is here, we're going to be starting off this raffle, this giveaway, to only for Philippine subscribers, Philippine-based subscribers. So free shipping anywhere here in the Philippines. That's 1,000 pesos worth of Kaiju Power products. So if you are not here in the Philippines, don't fret. We will be coming out with a giveaway that's that can cater to anyone, whether you're here in the Philippines. It's going to be an international giveaway, maybe for the 900 subs and the 1,000 subs, maybe. But for this time, it's going to be only Philippine subscribers, right? So how do you join the giveaway? First, you need to be subscribed to my channel, obviously. And second is, you need to leave one comment, and only one comment, down in the YouTube comments down below. So you cannot, if you comment more than once, that will invalidate your entry. So make sure that you don't double send your comment. So make sure you only have one comment down there. So if you're watching this video on Facebook or on Instagram or wherever I put this, the YouTube link is going to be down in the description below, or above, or whatever. But click on that YouTube link and comment down on that YouTube video. All right. So I'm gonna be ignoring any Facebook comments. So if you do comment on the Facebook video, that's fine, but it's not going to count toward the giveaway. All right. So the drawing for this giveaway's winner is going to be next Sunday. So we'll be drawing we'll do a live giveaway next Sunday. So do stay tuned for that. All right. So I'm going to end it at that. If there needs to be any clarifications, I'll post them on the sticky or in the description below. Anyway, again, thank you for all of your support, guys. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and hopefully we hit 800 subscribers soon, because I have another great giveaway coming up. All right. So anyway, as always, keep building and keep flying.